saucy pasta. Look at that.
Beef in the pan, the salt. I'm waiting for the beef to get a nice brown color all over. Getting to this color might take a little bit longer. Give it an extra 2 or 3 minutes. It's gonna be worth it. Here's the beef. Gorgeous. Onion, carrots, and celery. About 8 garlic cloves. I want to start seeing beautiful brown bits developing all over the veggies. You should go from this to this. See how there's little caramelized bits here and there? We're almost there with some spices. Ragu doesn't typically have that many spices, but I feel like I could use a few. Some coriander, fennel seeds, chili flakes. I'm gonna give these a rough ground. I got some chili flakes up my nose, that's fun. And with spices. And look at that. A little bit of wine to deglaze the pan. Beef broth also going in. And some tomatoes. Salt. It might seem like a lot of salt, but there's a lot of liquid going into this, so you want to season all that liquid accordingly. Turn the heat to low, cover this, and we're going to simmer it for quite a bit. Shameless plug, I have a cookbook that you can pre-order now at the link in my bio. Fun dinners, vegetarian dinners, easy desserts, soup, salads, breakfast, and more. 100 delicious, highly shareable everyday recipes just for you. Get your hands on it, because you're going to love it. You're going to love it. Look at that sauce. Freshly cooked pappardelle going in. And a little pasta water. Toss everything together. And that's it, time to plate.